Welcome to TIPS. I'm Cammie Walker, the STEAM Integration Specialist. This is my 9th year as part of this amazing team. We use positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior. For example, we utilize a school-wide banking system and store that gives students opportunities to receive JAG bucks for good behavior and performance.
Hi, I'm Chris Stubner. This is my 5th year here as the Assistant Principal at Roberta TIPS STEAM Academy. Here at Roberta TIPS, we incorporate hands-on STEAM learning and real-world experiences to prepare our students for life beyond the classroom.
Hello, I'm Amber Green, the PEIMS clerk here at TIPS. This is my 7th year as part of this amazing school. At TIPS, we have something for every student, whether it's 3D printing, coding, student-led news, or inclusive athletics. Every child has a place to grow, lead, and shine.
And I'm Christina Hernandez, Roberta TIPS' principal. I have been in education for 26 years, the last 9 here at TIPS STEAM Academy. What I love most about TIPS is we're more than a school, we're a family. Join us at Roberta TIPS. For more information, you can check out our school website or our Facebook page.